or Hollywood or Canada. Ngifuna ukuphuma manje. Hayi mina batshela ukuthi ngifuna ukuya overseas, Canada or Hollywood or New York or even America.
You want to go?
Yeah, anyone overseas. Oh, maybe Master can take me there, man. Master, take me there, Master. I can show you something. H. Maybe you can take me there. Box. Hold on, man. H. Suguma mama see. Wait up. Yeah, but don't be scared about that part. Dangerous part. Just show them dangerous part. Hey, dangerous part. Hey. Box. Box. Hey. Box. Get on my exit. Hola. Now go on Domazan. Fast. Maybe so you're overseas. You have H. You want to go overseas. Yeah, Ops, look now. Look, H out, yeah, Ops. H. Ops. H out. H out. Milano. Fast. Milano fast. H out. Go. Straight. Perfect, mama. Yeah, it's better to abuse your child than to abuse neighbor's child. Who better to abuse or what? Relax, stretch, mama. Oh, so yes, up. Okay, I think I'm shining you one of long age. Yeah. How can you get overseas? Yeah? How can you shoot? He cut. Oh. Asilengeni lona mncane yabo ngoba phela if you want to find me you can't find me. I'm staying so far Durban. Go what way go this side. Okay, control the smoke. One more now. Bye bye. But no problem. Hello, who's here? Hey, hello. Hello, Madam. Madam. My money. Richard. Control the smoke. So, Puma up, Mama. Yeah, let's have it for Mama. Thank you.